Converting from U plus Unicode string definition to true Unicode character. I have a long list of Unicode definitions and description mappings that use the U+1F49 coding convention. In Python 3, how can I read these in as true Unicode characters? i.e. \U0001F49 or comma green heart. I've tried array slicing and composition, e.g. \U00.format1F49, but end up with syntax error column, Unicode error, Unicode escape codec can't decode bytes in position 0 to 4 column truncated \U escape as the initial string instantiation craps out on a partial Unicode declaration.
You can also use int to parse the number, and chr to convert the number to a single character string. For example, if you want to convert all of the U+4x instances in a larger string, you can use the same /int pattern in the second arg of read.sub.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.